some urea here this morning. B double, 40 tonne worth. Oh, I'm so tired. It's just one of those days, you know. They're our ewes, they're heavy in lamb. They should be lambing in a couple of weeks now. But yeah, that's the ewes. Bunch of bloody morons, these lambs. You feed them every second day, and every second day you have to fix the feed troughs up because they bend them out of shape and kick them and move them trying to get grain. Can't wait to get these sold. Gee, they're fat. Hey mate. Gee, he's got under the barley. The barley dug a hole. And we're spraying again today. Spraying the lupins. Spraying this. Rodal on the thing, but diffluent 10. Diflufenican, diflufenican. Shit's expensive as hell. We got 30 litres and that was about $1,000. Can't be crying about it though. You need to spray it. Here. Now this is a broadleaf chemical, that's why it's so expensive. It was spraying broadleaf weeds in lupins. And on the corners, if you're not careful, you'll kill the crop, because if you double knock the lupins, like if you spray twice the amount that you're supposed to, then it will kill it. So on the corners, what I do is I go on the first lap, first headland, I go wide on the corner and cut the corner off so that I don't have to turn real sharp on the left when I'm turning left, and then I come back around and I just go like that, spray around, and this side's not even spraying anyway because the auto boom's switched off, and that way you won't kill any of your crop. I do it normally in crop spray, but it's especially important with grass or leaf and broadleaf. There's Grandpa doing a bit of ripping. Doonies. Dooney fat lambs.